Rendering in Apache POI Excel. Photorealistic image from a 2D or 3D model by means of a computer program. The resulting image is refers to as the renderer. Multiple models can be defined in a scene file containing objects in a strictly defined language or data structure. The scene file contains geometry, viewpoint, texture, lighting, and shading information describing the virtual scene. The data contained in the scene file is then passed to a rendering program to be processed and output to a digital image or raster graphics image file. The term rendering is analogous to the concept of an artist's impression of a scene. The term rendering is also used to describe the process of calculating effects in a video editing program to produce final video output. As an example, we can consider this code segment. Here you can see set print area method. Set print area int and java.lang string sets the print area for the sheet for the sheet. Here you can see set print area int method. This is for the convenience of Java programmers maintaining pointers. Here you can see the sheet index 0 based sheet index 0 is 0 equal first sheet, start column to begin print area, end column to end the print area, start row to begin the print area, end row to end the print area. These methods are available in interface workbook. Here you can see this method sets the print area for the first sheet, and alternatively you can use this one also. As an example too, we can consider this code segment. And the statement. Here you can see the method get cell formula returns a formula for the cell. For example, sum C4 colon E4. This method is available in cell interface. As an exception example, we can consider java.lang.illegal state exception, which can be occurred in cell get cell formula method in interface cell. Now we are considering a set print area. Here the method void set print area int sheet index java lang string reference. This set print area for the sheet provided. The method void set print area sheet int sheet index int start column, int end column, int start row, int end row, for the convenience of Java programmers maintaining pointers. This is in the interface workbook, and which is in the org.apache.poi.ss.user model. Sets the print area for the first sheet, or alternatively sheet index, start column, end column, start row, end row. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.